Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon. Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the video about the Vivo V15 Pro, the phone that is launched today with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset, the 32MP selfie pop-up camera and also the triple rear camera combination. In this video, we're going to specifically talk about the security features of this phone. Because you don't see a front-facing camera in here, it's because it's a pop-up one and it would pop up whenever you want to take a selfie or you want to unlock your phone. So let's straight away get into the security features. That's the fingerprint, face and password. So those are the three options. First, let's quickly set up the fingerprint. Again, you don't see a fingerprint sensor here because it's the in-display fingerprint sensor. So let's add it. First, you need to set a password. So let me quickly do that. Now it says to register a fingerprint. The quality of the on-screen fingerprint recognition depends on how you operate it. Before using it, please watch the video and start inputting. So this is the area where you'll have to place your finger for the registration, and this would expectedly it would take quite a lot of taps. This was the case with the Vivo Nex as well, and that is okay because this is the in-display one, and it would need quite a lot of proper scans, and this is for the edge recognition, and this is registered successfully, though I guess it did take a lesser time than what it usually would do. So these are different animations, and I would rather choose to have this one. This looks cool. Now let's get into what all can be done with the fingerprint sensor. So one is unlock, one is privacy and app encryption that you can do, and you have to set up a privacy password for that as well. And there's the payment that you can do, that is Alipay, and you can use your fingerprint for that as well. And fingerprint authentication, okay, and on friend, okay, this is done. So let's now try to unlock the phone by using the same fingerprint, and you can see it's quite fast in doing that. As soon as I place my thumb, it doesn't take even a second. This is a fifth generation fingerprint sensor, and it does quite well with that. So let me try to place it a bit on the side as well, and with the edges it would struggle with the edges. It's the center of the screen finger that it would need, and with the fingerprint sensor, whether it's going to be shown always, it would usually hide itself, and whenever you try to lift the phone, it would show up the fingerprint scanning area. So that is when you can place the finger there. So that is with the fingerprint sensor. The next one is the selfie cameras face unlock. So this is the face, and if you go here, you'll have to enter your lock screen password that you had set up. Again, there are two options for this: unlock and privacy and app encryption. So here you can read this first. It's that your phone may be unlocked by people or objects that look similar to you. Someone can actually use your photo and do the unlocking unless you set it up that way. And to better use facial recognition, please note the following: please avoid areas with dim lighting. So that camera would pop out as soon as I hit it. So you saw that it didn't take even 2 or 3 seconds, and the face was properly recognized, registered actually, and press the power button to unlock, or you can slide upward when the screen is lit to unlock. So you can see how fast this was. So this is actually interesting. This was the first time that I'm trying to use a pop-up selfie camera for the face unlock and recognition. So as soon as I press the power button here, it would just pop out, check for the face, and the recognition is done, and it would go down. So not even 1 second. This is once more that I'm doing it, and here we go. So it didn't take time at all. That is quite interesting and a very good feature, but I'm sure it might use some battery of the smartphone to do this if you're doing this multiple times during the day, and that is why I would actually prefer the in-display fingerprint sensor, because it actually is easier than the face unlock. And in the face unlock, the other option was to slide upward when the screen is lit to unlock. So this is the second one, where you can actually turn the screen on, then lift this so that the screen would know, the phone would know actually that you want to unlock it. Otherwise you could only turn it on for checking out the notifications here itself. If you don't want to do that, if you want to unlock, then you can actually take this up, and it would then slide the camera out and check for the face. So these are the two options that you see here. That's the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. Both of them work quite well. This was the fingerprint for the last time, and this is the face unlock. So you have two options there. You don't have to slide up. If you press the power button, that would directly take out the camera and do the recognition, but that depends on whether you want it that way or not. So this was the two security options on the Vivo V15 Pro, the fingerprint and the face unlock. And we'll be soon doing a gaming review as well as the camera review of this smartphone. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.